Hey guys, got another FG Mark II XR6 in for a head unit install today. It's just the Mark II version 6 option. So I'll just do a quick walkthrough on it again. So you got your main homepage. Over here you got your phone link, which is your wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. And navigation, music, phone calls, all through the one system now. Air conditioning all works through your factory panel down the bottom here. It comes up with a different display. Shows you what's selected and what's temperature and fan speed. Steering controls are fully functional. Factory reverse camera all working as well with the sensors. So if you turn that on, if you just back up against the wall, you're going to see that. So the sensors here just lighting up. So this customer also gone for the HD regular front dash cam as well. So you can actually view that on the system. Traffic safety guard, that's the application that works with this one. So that's constantly recording. As long as that red light does flash on the system, then you know it's recording. And you can view it through your screen itself. So playback on the menu itself through the screen. DAB comes built in as well. So that's through the antenna that's mounted on this windscreen. So plenty of stations to choose from here. Yeah, so that's just a quick video today. Door unlock, door lock, traction control. Everything works as per factory. Interior lights. Yeah, just a quick walkthrough on what these systems are like. Cheers.